Hello plant parents, I'm back this time but with a very different concept in a vlog format. क्या कर रहे हैं हम आज हम अपने client के पास हैं who came to us with the requirement that he wanted to do a balcony makeover and we thought why don't we record it for you guys to tell how you can convert your dull balcony into something really beautiful, something which can integrate your life and something which can integrate nature in your life together. So I am standing at Times Residency in Gurgaon and today we'll show how we'll do the complete makeover for our client. So let's go and see how it's done. So I'm at 19th floor. And the view is so perfect. The balcony is going to be a great thing to do it. So let's show how we do the whole balcony stuff. So here we are in the common area, and this is the place he has asked us to revamp. This is the balcony. It has a very strong morning light and the afternoon light. And the customer wanted that he should integrate his life with nature. So this is the common area and they wanted the nature should connect with their life and merge with them. So what we're going to do is we'll not use a lot of ground space so that they can walk around and they can spend time and they can interact outside. But use also a lot of plants because there's so much of pollution around there in Gurgaon, and they wanted a lot of plants in their current balcony. So let's go and do the revamping, and our team will do step-by-step guide and we'll talk about how we